Hello, hello everyone. I've got a journal to show you today that has a kitchen cooking theme to it. So let's get right into it. Of course, I had to use red and white gingham. I mean, you're going to do a kitchen journal, you got to, right? And I put a little burlap pocket with a coffee cup on the front, and inside that I have a bookmark, and I have one of my flat pens that has the paperclip on the back. These are very easy to make, and you have a pen with you when you need your journal, when you need to write something. This is just a little clear tag thing, and I put like a shopping list: lettuce, spinach, cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers. Let it dangle from there, and then I've got some beads dangling. I made a flower, fabric flower, put a button in the middle, some frou-frou behind it, some frou-frou down the spine, which you can see it's shedding all over the place, but that's the way it does. I see something in there. Let's get that. Oh, see, it's shedding. Okay, so anyway, I did put some corners on here by taking cardstock and cutting a half circle and wrapping it around. I'll need to do a tutorial on that probably. This little piggy went to market. Now notice my color scheme. I've got the blues and the reds and the blacks, and I just had a bunch of stuff like this, blank recipe cards and stuff, and this is just a little envelope that I put in there. So just all that goes down in that pocket. Over here, it's a little faux recipe. This, oh my gosh, you've got to see this. This is the cutest thing in the world. I had a fit over this when I saw it. This is a little vellum envelope that I did not make. I don't think I made this one. But anyway, I have it paper clipped on here because I wasn't about to lose the contents. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen? I found these at Michael's. These are Tim Holtz embellishments, a little fork, spoon, and knife. And I said, oh my gosh, that is just the cutest thing in the world. I love miniatures. And so I put it down in my little vellum envelope. And that's why I clipped it on there, because I thought that's got a little weight to it. I don't want it to fall off. I don't want to lose it. So I'll hook that back later. Okay, so let me take this back off so you can see what's inside here. Got a little flip out right here. Some coffee dyed paper that you can see I put a doily on it, and I let that doily dry on there like that. This is a little pocket that you see is not working real well because things want to fall out, but that's why I had all three of these clipped together to keep that from falling out. So that's just a little recipe card right there. Some graph paper, some washi tape in, food and kitchen, and here's a stamp of those three utensils that I just had. Coffee dyed paper, just stuff, lots of fun stuff. Pattern paper, this cute little die. My friend Angela Patrick, I got with her one day, and she and I punched stuff, and I brought a lot of that belonged to her. This is just a piece of that fabric that already had the hem in it. This was coffee dyed, done with plastic tablecloth, and then I stitched lace down the side. How cute is this? Just cute little things for my kitchen, a mixer, a fried egg, and some bacon. In here I made a little fabric pocket, and inside that fabric pocket is another little pocket that has a tag inside. It has coffee. I put coffee beans up there. So that goes in here. The little ants stealing away with the cookie on some coffee dyed paper. Okay, this page I have taped it down. It wasn't supposed to stick. There we go. This opens with love from the kitchen of. It's supposed to tug, but it wasn't supposed to stick too hard. And then this was just a sticker. Ain't it cute? It was so cute. It's got the utensils again. This is vellum paper that I punched, not stamped. I punched. coffee dyed paper. This is one of my favorites because I just love things that dangle. I just thought that's so cute. So I just put my fabric up there, my coffee cups, and I left them loose so they would dangle. And let's see, in here I've got this little guy. See, that was just too cute to cut. I didn't want to cut it because I wanted both ends. So I just gave it a little fold, tucked it up in there, and it worked real good. It's a popcorn machine. Now this is just a red envelope I did some stitching on, but it has a pocket here and it has a pocket here. Inside this pocket, you've got another little envelope with some fancy washi. And do not worry, be happy. Donut worry. I'm not a donut fan, but I had to have that in here. Okay, in this coffee cup, I die cut a hole in that heart and put the black cardstock behind it. And then I wanted my smoke from my coffee to be metallic, so I cut it out of metallic. Here's a little tag that I made. I think this sticker came from Dollar Tree. And I just put some of the fabric on there. Made a little fabric pocket, tucked it in there. More vellum, thanks a latte. More coffee dyed papers. Here I did a triple pocket. A little bitty guys, just leftovers from something else. And it's got a little shopping list on there. And then here's some more of that skillet frying the bacon, some more coffee dyed papers, your tea-erific. And on this page, we have this embellished, well, it's not really embellished. It's a paper clip. It's just a funky little paper clip that I thought was so cute. And another recipe. And I'm always looking for a way to use these little funky paper clips. So that one kind of looks like a dog running or something. I don't know. Maybe y'all know what that is. Another piece of the pattern paper, some coffee bean stamping. These are little die cuts, the little utensils. See, there's my Farberware showing through. This is where I coffee dyed on one of my cookie sheets. Tea time. Here's another shopping list, and it's like a belly band, and I've got a scratch pad behind it to write notes. And that is one signature. So now we're on the second signature, and here is another shopping list. Here's another shopping list, some stamping up under there, some stickers, just a little bit of lace here or there. Some of my favorite coffee dyed papers. I just love them. Here I stitched on a pocket. Then I put a tag down inside that pocket with some frou-frou on top. And some more of the pattern paper. You're the cream in my coffee, it says. Some more coffee dyed pages. Some cute little cutouts here and there. Now, on this page, Crunchy Trail Mix, it says, this page is going to open, 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 open. Can you see all that? So it has some recipes, but it also has places for you to write. So I just folded all of that down in here, and then behind it is a kitchen conversion chart. Okay, that goes right there. Now over here I've got another tag, some drinks, some coffee, another little ant stealing away with some jelly beans and a cookie. Happiness is coffee, tea, and friends. Here's another conversion chart stuck in that. I just stitched that on. Some more of that bacon. Not very often you get to use designer paper that has bacon and eggs on it, so I couldn't resist for this. Here's another one of those die cuts and another envelope. Now inside this envelope, I left that flap open so I could have a little coffee cup in there. Another recipe card. And over here, cooking is easy as 1, 2, 3. We have another card. Life begins after coffee. Yes, I agree. So that just goes into that pocket. Thanks a latte. And here's another little fabric pocket. There's the fried eggs and coffee dye. Coffee dye. Love it. Love it. And oh, how cool is this? Don't you love vintage postcards? Of course I can. I love this. I got it just like that. That's how I bought it. It's probably not really vintage, but it looks vintage. And this little paperclip is a present. It's a red present. Cakes and more coffee beans and more things to do on the edges of your pages. Tools of the trade. More coffee dyeing. Another recipe card with chickens. Gotta have chickens. Gotta love chickens. And so these, I just left these little flip outs in there because they're fun. Now here is a grocery list. This is the vegetables, and here's the household items you might need. So it's just kind of tucked in there. And then on the back cover, I've got a pocket, and inside that front pocket is some deli paper that came from Arby's fast food restaurant, if you have one of those near you. And then I've just put a tag in it. See, you can see Arby's on the back. I put a tag in it, and I use my coffee cup as the little pull tab. So that goes in the front pocket, and then in the back pocket is an even larger shopping list. How cute, huh? So this was so much fun. I do appreciate you watching my videos, and I would appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.